Hey folks, it's Wednesday and Christmas. Hope everyone is having a great day today. For this week's topic, we are looking at nutrient cycling. Did you know that the secret to amazing plants lies beneath your feet? Let's take a look at what nutrient cycling is and how it powers your garden. Let's get started. So, what is nutrient cycling? Simply put, it's the process of breaking down organic material, like leaves and compost, and transforming it into nutrients that plants can absorb. This cycle is essential because it keeps microbes happy and plants healthy, season after season. Microbes are those things we don't see, and the ones doing all the work. Bacteria and fungi feast on organic matter, breaking it down into forms that plants can actually use, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Without these tiny workers, your garden would struggle to grow. So, what's all this about fungi? Let's take a look. These incredible organisms act like the internet of the soil, forming networks called hyphae. Some fungi, like mycorrhizae, transport nutrients from far corners of the soil directly to plant roots, making them vital for plant health. What about the other microbes in the soil? Well, did you know that plants have their own way of keeping this cycle going? They release this stuff called exudates, simple sugars, into the soil. These exudates act like a dinner bell, attracting microbes to the root zone. In return, these microbes deliver nutrients to the plant. Pretty cool, right? And then there's something called nitrogen fixation. This process is carried out by special bacteria that take nitrogen from the air and turn it into a form that plants can use. They work with plants to be able to do this, and it's critical for plant growth, and one of the reasons why cover crops like clover are so beneficial. If you have made it this far, Merry Christmas, and we wish you a Happy New Year. Now let's get back to it. Balancing nutrients in your soil is key. Too much of a good thing can actually be a bad thing, where that nutrient can actually block plants from absorbing others. That's why maintaining diversity in your soil amendments, like compost and worm castings, is crucial for long-term plant health. So, how can you enhance nutrient cycling in your garden? Here are a few steps. 1. Add organic matter, like compost, regularly. 2. Use cover crops to build nitrogen levels. 3. Avoid tilling to preserve microbial life. 4. Mulch to retain moisture and feed soil microbes. By following these steps, you'll create a garden that practically grows itself. There you have it, nutrient cycling in action. It's not just science, it's the heartbeat of your garden. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you all next week.